This episode of It's Lift Tour Time is in Chinglish! So then, Chinglish is where you buy a product, usually off of eBay, but sometimes from in shops, where it's a really cheap Chinese product. And the instruction manual has been translated from Chinese to English using Google Translate. Let's do a lift tour time like that. So each line in this episode of It's Lift Tour Time has been translated into Chinese and back into English again. This is East Surrey Hospital and it's time to lift the tour! This is the first lift along a 1980s elevator by cone modernisation. On the ground floor it opens on both sides, but not at the same time, while actually leads directly into the treatment room. Very strange.
First floor. Doors open. Going down. Doors closed. Doors open. Going down. Doors closed. Floor 0. Doors open.
And now to the next elevator that looks like a 1980s pawn and done Woody. Has horribly modernisation. Now to the next lift is in Dongdaeman. This one is the same as the last one.
The doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 1. Doors opening.
And now to the next lift is the same as the last two of these. Elevator bell is very strange, when the general logic is foolish to repeat the message by pressing the call button direction.
Going up. Going up. Going up. Going up. Going up. Doors closing. Going up. Ground floor. Doors opening. This lift is under service control. Please mind the doors closing. Going up. Please mind the doors.
Now a group of two elevators, they are the same final. I've had enough of these elevators are all the same. I want something from the original, which is when the hospital was built in the 1980s. Only two lifts, this one work. Now enter the hospital and a portion of the elevator they're teaching. Again, this lift is the same as the last. This is getting boring thing. I want different.
Going up, going up, going up, going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. This lift is under service control. Floor 1. Doors open. This lift is under service control. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.
Now go into a staff-only through. I should not do. Even more reason to do so. You may have an elevator in this part of the original. And no! It's another identical. Ah!
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Floor 1. Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.